Press the plus icon. Select Set up new speaker to network. Swipe to the speaker you would like to set up. Press Set up your speaker. Follow the on-screen instructions and press the right icon when done. Press I see a green light. On your phone or tablet, access your device Wi-Fi settings. Press the network labeled Tivoli. You will notice that Tivoli _ is followed by a series of letters and numbers. Return to your home screen and then reopen the Tivoli Audio app. Press Search for speakers. Name the speaker. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Press Save Speaker. Press Start Use.